Hey there folks, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday video. So today, I have a gorgeous, glittery makeup bag here. This right here is from Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. So this past weekend, I took a trip up north to go see my friends, and ended up going into Newcastle, as you do, into the Morphe store, and bought a couple of items which are currently situated in here. So it's nothing crazy, nothing major, but I thought, why not give it to you? So yeah, they were doing basically 50% off of like everything, including items in bundles and all this good stuff. So naturally, I had to take a step. And I tried my hardest to be good. This is me being good. So I got myself 3 of their Make It Big plumping lip glosses. I was having a chat with the individuals who work there, and we were like discussing some of these like different shades that they offer and like what they'd recommend. So I went for the shades Big Pink Energy, In the Clear, and Big Bang Glow, which you can see just there. So you can see the middle one is a nice kind of clear colour, then we've got like a kind of pinky colour and more of a purple. So I got myself those. I also got the Out and About Flirty Nude Lip Duo. Really cool little pack here. So this is the Mega Matte Lipstick in Single AF. Relatable content. And then the lip gloss in Now Playing. So they have quite a few of these on offer, and I can't remember exactly how much I ended up paying for this, but I was like, might as well. It's a nice duo, a nice nude lipstick that I feel like I could probably get away with wearing normally, to a degree normally. And then of course we also got the bag. I literally, this is like a last minute pickup. As I was at the till, they were like, you know, these bags are actually like on for £1. I was like, £1? Hello? A gorgeous glittery makeup bag. Sold. Obviously this is not big enough for me when I'm used to carrying something a bit more like this. You know, there's a bit of a size difference. But it's definitely nice for like maybe couple of like essential pieces for like, you know, a night out or something. Just like if I'm just knowing what I want to wear. Usually I'm bringing that massive bag if I don't really know what the vibe is and I want to bring a couple of different alternatives and options. Whereas this is more probably, you know what the vibe is, you can kind of limit your makeup down. But yeah, so let's actually look at these. So the Make It Big lip glosses, let's start there. Really, really cute packaging. Of course, I've already seen all this stuff in the packaging, but you haven't, so you're getting brought on this journey. So this is the shade Big Pink Energy. Really nice kind of colouring there. Looks quite pigmented, but when it actually goes on, and it does have, again, should probably mention this, does have a little sheen in there, which is really nice. Oh shit, that's just gone everywhere. Nice thick applicator, which I love. I'm gonna just do it on this one for now, just because it's free. But yeah, gorgeous finish on that. Really nice kind of like just subtle pink. So you can still see it and you can still really get into that shine. Oh. But like it's the pink is there just to kind of add a little bit of something. So you could probably get away with like a light coat of something on the lips first and then putting that on top, just to add the extra kind of definition. And then we've also got Big Bang Glow here. So this is that more slightly purple shade. It's still quite pinky, but it looks, you know, the packaging makes it seem like it's a lot more purple, but it is quite pink. And it really does have like this kind of iridescent glow, which I love. I'm just trying to get this out gently so I don't make a mess. Oh, still make a mess, but it's okay. But yeah, this seems like a more purpley, pinky, almost baby pink kind of vibe. But definitely you can see that kind of, well, I can see in person a bit more probably than you can see. It almost looks clear there, but there is like a subtle pinkness to it. It might be as well the amount that I've applied, but it's kind of got this iridescent unicorn glow to it. Like you can really see it in the packaging, I hope, if I get it really close. But yeah, it's really gorgeous with the colouring. And then we have in the clear, so this is just their clear lip gloss basically. Nothing too crazy, but you know, we vibe. I thought this would just be nice to add, like, just in case I don't really want pigmentation or colour, I just want like a nice, you know, obviously again you're probably not going to see this because, you know, 1, pale skin, 2, it's literally just gloss. But it kind of helps you to see like the other one does have a bit more pigmentation there than that one. Obviously with this one being literally just clear. As for plumping, I don't know the full ins and outs. Like obviously I've tried lip plumpers before. Some of them are a bit more spicy. So I might just quickly whack a bit of this on, because if I do this now, then at least I know by the time we're kind of doing the rest of the video, we can kind of get a bit more of a vibe of it. So this is just the clear one. Okay. Oh, it tastes minty. It's got minty vibes to it. I mean, it does look really nice, I have to say, like, in terms of just general shine. Wait. Okay, I can feel it a little bit now. It's kind of almost got like that cold, so you know when you're chewing gum and you breathe in and you can kind of get that really like cold like feeling. I'm getting that on the lips. Again, like, it's just lip gloss at the moment to me. But it's nice. It is a really nice gloss. Kind of adds that kind of reflection, that shine, that kind of just wet look, which is really nice. But yeah, probably should have thought about this first. So this, again, Out and About, Flirty Nude. So let's whack this out. Okay, so it is actually packaged in this. It's like wrapped up in there. It's interesting. Here we go. So yeah, we've got, I mean, this looks a bit odd. I don't know why it looks almost cracked in there, but I think that might just be the way that the colour is sat. But yeah, we've got this. This is the gloss. Really, really nice kind of colouring there. And I assume these are probably purchasable separately from the bundle as well, which is good. And then we have the lipstick, which is single AF. Oh, it just looks so fresh. Doesn't look like you get a whole lot of product. Like that's it fully pushed up, which is a little bit disappointing. Like comparatively to some of my other lipsticks, like you get a lot. Because I just want to see if it is just me being really pedantic. And it could be. I mean, there's definitely height difference. This is one of my sugar pill ones, which I've only used a little bit of, but there's some height difference. Enough that I would have raised a kind of, I don't want to say a concern, because it's not a concern, it's just, I'm just picky. And I'll flag these little teeny things in my head. But yeah, let's swatch this shade, because this is a really nice shade actually. I didn't properly show it off. Yeah, really gorgeous, kind of deeper nude shade. So it's not something to kind of wear every day, but like when you just want a little bit of something. This is gonna kill me because it's gonna get rid of the M, but like, you know, content. And the M's gonna fade anyway once I start using this. So there it is. It's kind of like, looks a little bit orangey, but it's got a nice hint of like deep brick, but also like the natural kind of pinky tones through it as well. So there's a little bit of peachiness to it, which I really like. And then the gloss again, which is now playing. Yes, if I push that in, that kind of did dissipate that little bit of confusion that kind of occurred. I'm calling it confusion just because why not? I'm gonna just shift my watch down a little bit. So there. So you can see this gloss has a lot more pigmentation. I'm trying to show this in like the best way possible. It's such an awkward thing to do, makeup trying on. Like, oh, really nice kind of colouring. And then if I was to put a little bit just over the top of that lipstick as well, I'll do like half with the gloss on. So you can kind of see there, so we've got our lipstick here. This side is just normal. This side has got the gloss on it. And then we've just got the nice gloss there as well. So you could probably wear the gloss on its own. So the options really are endless, which is nice. And again, with this sale, like that just made that so much more affordable. I think that was probably like between £6 or £8. I can't remember which it was. Bargain though. Hello. But anyway, those are the products. Again, I'll probably just touch back on this gloss. It still feels like it's got that cold feeling to it, like the kind of cold, ooh. I don't feel like it's done anything. I think the plumping vibe of it is just the general, the shine makes them look fuller. Not that that's really a complaint. I think they are really nice shades, and I'm definitely going to find use for them, let's be honest. So there's definitely going to be some of these shades coming into play at some point. But would I recommend these kind of products to you? Yes, absolutely. I think these are really stunning. Always check on Morphe, because they do often come out with these kind of sales, like the 50% sales, and you can just get some amazing products, especially their brushes. If you can get a brush bundle on sale, get it. Their brushes are incredible and affordable on a normal day, but then add the sale on and you're winning in life. Hello. But yeah, thank you so much to you all for watching. I hope you did enjoy this. If you did, of course, give it a cheeky little like, subscribe, join the family. There's lots more content like this on its way. And yeah, I will see each and every one of you folks in the next video. Peace out, bitches.